It's like I got 1,000 people giving my head a massage. Great. Wait, hang on. I think somebody's here. Oh, hey, I'll call you back later. Hang on. Hey guys, Mike Winiger here, CEO of Essante Organics. Gotta tell you something. This is unbelievable. Again, Essante comes out with a brand new product, reformulated NourishMint Conditioner. Now we've had such a great demand for this, we had to bring it back. When I start my shower, let me tell you, I use this mango berry shampoo. This stuff is unbelievable. Then I grab my sweetened shower gel. Oh, makes me feel all soft all over. Then I follow up with the NourishMint Conditioner. Again, reformulated. Another spectacular formulation from Essante Organics. 100% certified organic. 100% certified organic. And it contains sweet blue lupine. Oh my, all I gotta tell you is this. Great. Grab yourself a catalog and order yours today. Yeah, it's like 100% chemical-free tropical paradise in here. Yeah.